Hi loves, how you guys doing? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished the minimalist no makeup look. Okay, I totally love it because it looks so subtle, so beautiful, so simple, but yet so classic. Because sometimes less is more. Alright, you don't have to put up all colors on your face. Alright, sometimes just go for something very subtle, very subtle and simple, and yet you'll be the most beautiful babe in the room, of course. Yeah, I said it. Okay, so yeah. All right, so my name is Bright Okbo. I'm a part-time YouTuber and also a content creator living in Calabar, Nigeria. Okay, my channel is basically about beauty, lifestyle, self-development kind of videos. So if you like my kind of content, go ahead and tag along, right? Like this video, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the comment section, okay? Right, so yeah, this video is really going to be about this look, what I did to get to it and everything. Alright, so if you want to get the juice, if you want to get the tea, go ahead to keep on watching the video. Right, I'll see you in the video.
And scrolling on your phone. Hurry over to aisle 4 for these items.
Hi guys, so I first of all started by cleaning my face with a wipe. When it comes to this, you have to make sure that you are really doing a good job at cleaning your face, deep cleaning, and making sure that every single dirt is off of your face. I just finished having my bath, so I didn't really have anything, but still I had to make sure that I was really cleaning it. And then I went in with my vitamin C serum. One thing that's really going to help your makeup to stay and for the whole makeup process to be easy is going to be if you've already prepped your face, serums, moisturizers, and all of that. So yeah, I was applying my serum here, and then I'm going to be applying my moisturizer, just making sure that my face is prepped and ready for the makeup to sit well so that it doesn't stress me. All right, so yeah, and then I'm going to allow my face to dry after applying both of them. Like after applying the serum, allow my face to dry. After applying the moisturizer, allow my face to dry. So yeah.
I've searched up if it's normal for your skin to turn green. Wore that shirt I sold 5 days in a row. Know that I should care, but I really don't wanna get up, get dressed, but I won't.
And then I drew my brows off camera because it is one thing that stresses me even up until now. It's my brows, so I always like to do it off camera. And then it's time for the eyeshadow. Okay, when I started out this makeup, even when I was talking to my sister, I was like, I want to go for a black kind of nice makeup because I don't think I've actually done that kind of makeup before. But I don't know, once I started it, I just felt like I wanted something neutral, and that's basically what I ended up doing, and I loved it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just using my liquid eyeliner to line my eyes, just to give it a little bit of pop, and yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation, making sure that I avoid my under eyes. Okay, you're going to see me show you that in a minute. Make sure that you avoid your under eyes, do not touch it, especially if you plan to use concealer there, to avoid it creasing and looking weird. Okay, so basically just apply foundation all over your face but avoid your under eyes. And then I'm going to apply the concealer on my T-zone, my under eye, bridge of my nose, and all the places that you just see me apply it. And now I sprayed my face so that the blending is going to be easy. If you want your makeup to look very natural and like your face to end up being glowy and beautiful, you have to keep spraying your face in between blends. Okay, after applying a foundation, spray your face, blend it. After applying concealer, spray your face, blend it, just like that. It's going to make the whole blending process very easy, and your face will end up looking so beautiful and nice and glowy. Okay, so after I was done applying my foundation, you already know the drill. I decided to bake my face because I have oily skin. That is why I baked. I know most people discourage baking, but I have oily skin, and if I do not take all these precautions, my makeup is not even going to last at all. So I like to bake, especially under my eyes, because those are the areas that I get oily on more easily. So I baked a lot, and then the bridge of my nose, but all the other parts of my face I just tapped in. Okay, but when it came to my under eye, I baked. So if you have dry skin, please don't bake. Just tap the powder into your skin like I did on all the other parts of my face. But since I have oily skin, that is why I decided to bake. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Alright, so now it's just time to blend. As you can see, I did not want my forehead to look ashy at all, so I just kept blending to make sure that everything is cool. And here I'm just vibing, you know. Alright, so I kept blending, and now it's time to contour my nose because I did not want it to look weird. You know, I just kind of trying to give my face a shape since the makeup is nude, very neutral.
I searched up if it's normal for your skin to turn green. Wore that shirt I sold 5 days in a row. Know that I should care.
And now it's time to remove all the excess powder from my face. So all you have to do is just to use your brush and just gently swipe your face just to get out all the excess powder. Alright, so now it's time for blush. Okay, hold on. I wanted my under eye to pop. That's why I still allowed it to be bright. So I hope you get that. But yeah, now it's time for blush. So I'm just using the brush to keep on applying the blush, trying to blend it, and I definitely applied more than I should have. So I ended up just blending until it was done. And now I'm going to apply my highlighter to my cheekbones, just right on top of where I applied the blush. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to apply my nose, the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and then it's time for lashes. Applying my glue, applying the lashes off camera because that's another thing I struggle with. And now already the makeup is already looking very beautiful. And yeah, just doing the finishing touches, making sure everything is looking good. And time for my lips. So since I had already decided that I wanted this makeup to look very natural and neutral and beautiful, I then decided to keep my lips on the neutral side too. So I just used the same eye pencil that I used to draw my brows. I just used it to line my lips. I did a little bit of highlighter on my lips to, just to make it pop. And then I'm going to use lip gloss over that. So yeah, just applying my lip gloss, and yeah, that's it for the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. If there's a particular way, or if there's a step I missed, or there's a particular way you like to do your own makeup too, you can tell me in the comments. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. I really appreciate you. Go ahead to subscribe if you like my kind of content, and also do not forget to hit the like button and to leave your comments in the comment section, because I will definitely love to chat with you and all. Alright, so yeah, thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate you so much, and bye.
But I can't